right leg, I want you to get down all the way to the floor. You're all the way on the ground.
Oh, wait, no, I have my left leg.
This knee's all the way on the ground. Now from here, lift your hands all the way up. And now we're gonna go back and down with your arms. And down. Now step with the left leg, slow and all the way to the ground. Lift your hands up. And now all the way back with arms down. Now back with the right arms, right, arms up, back up to standing, arms down. With the left, arms up. Whoa, what happened? And then back up. Down, arms up, back up and arms down. Left leg, all the way down, arms up, power back up. Let's do 4 more. Oh, there you go. Get up, left leg, and arms up. In there. Last 2, right. Big stretch, back up. 1 more, big stretch, back up. Then rest, good job. Down, starting with our right, and as we kneel down, we're going to stretch up big as we can, okay? With the right leg, and stretch up high and back out. And left leg, stretch up high and back out. Oh, you're doing great. Stretch up high and back out. And again, nice and slow. Good. You don't want to go too fast so you fall. Just nice and slow. It doesn't need to be fast. Very good. And left leg, stretch up big, like you're trying to reach the ceiling, back up. Let's do 4 more. And in 1. And left, 2. Good. 1 more on each side. You're doing great. Okay. And 1 last one with the left. And stretch big. And then up. And give me 5. First, I want you to get on your forearms. Okay. But see how our bodies are up? Get your bodies up. Put your legs out. Okay, we're going to get up like this. This is called a plank. Can you do this? Now from here, go here, 1 arm here, and 1 arm here, and come up big. You did it. Now get your booty up a little higher. Now back down, 1 arm, and 1 arm.
Oh my God, how much can I do of these?
Okay, just a few. Let's try to do 4. Okay, 1 arm, 1 arm big, and down, up and up, down and down. Get your booty up and up, down and down. 1 more, up and up, down, and then fall and collapse. That's a lot of giggling. Okay, get on your forearms. Now when you get up, you're going to get up with your booty up like this. Okay, everyone in position?
Yeah.
Up and up. We'll do it faster so it's not hard. Down and down. Good. Up and up. Try not to let your knees touch the ground. Down and down. There you go. Up and up. Down and down. 2 more. Perfect. You girls are very strong. Down and down. 1 more. Up and up. Down and collapse. Very good. We have space. Okay, now what we're going to do, when we do it, we're all going to go this way and then back this way.
Okay.
So otherwise we'll run into each other. So this exercise was made by Kennedy. Did you make this up or did you both make it up?
We both made it.
So this exercise is made up by my girls, and it's actually very hard. It's a reverse plank into a normal plank and back to a reverse. So blame Deedlefish and Rosebud for this one. Now you made it up, so you have to do it. So we're here. That's called a reverse plank. Now we're going to go towards Rosie's way into a plank. You got to keep your booty up. Back to the other way. That's the secret. You got to keep your booty up the whole time. Okay, back. And you call this the twist?
Yeah.
And back over. They're calling this the twist, y'all. I think they're twisted. Back this way. Back. 2 more times. Can you do it?
Yeah.
You made this up. Keep your booty up. Back over. You can do it. 1 more time back to here. Now from here, can you girls do this?
Yeah.
Can you do that? We're going to work the triceps. See how Daddy's doing that? I'm not lifting my butt up. Bending my arms and pushing up with my arms. There you go. We're gonna do 5 jumping jacks. Okay, you know how to do jumping jacks? Like this. Okay, watch how you do them. Out together, in together. Out together, and all the way in. And then after 5 though, I'm gonna say drop. And you gotta get down.
Wait, Dad.
I'm gonna say drop, and you just get down. So out together, in together, out together, in together. And after 5, when we come here, I'm gonna say get down. You gotta get down low. Real fast. And then we gotta stand back up. 5 jumping jacks. Out together, in 2, 3, 4, 5, drop. Back up. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. Up for 5, get closer. Just get too far away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. And 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. And that's it. You guys ready? Out together in 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. Up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. And we got one more. Here we go. Up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop. And tickle, and tickle, and tickle.